Hey, lovely people, welcome back to another Bitcoin technical analysis video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell to stay updated whenever I post the next video. All right, so yes, Bitcoin looks like it got rejected at the 23,000 price level. And right now it is currently crashing, as you can see. And I am predicting that if this one thing doesn't happen today, then we should see Bitcoin at 20,000 in the next 24 hours. So let's jump into the chart here to really see what is going on. I'm going to just jump into the daily time frame because this is where things started getting very, very interesting and crazy for Bitcoin. So obviously here a few days ago, I made a video telling you guys, hey, watch out, okay? Bitcoin looks like it's going up, but I feel like this might be a bull trap just because one, we were approaching the resistance at 23,000, okay? And then two, the RSI was overbought on the 4-hour time frame, okay? It was overbought on the 4-hour time frame and overbought on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, let me show you guys. So this is the 4-hour time frame. You'll see this is the RSI here, okay? You'll see that once we arrive at that resistance 23,000, right? What happened? The RSI was very overbought, right? And whenever the RSI is overbought, the expectation is that the price is going to start falling down, and this is exactly what's happening. That plus the resistance at 23,000 was enough to bring the price of Bitcoin down, and you can see now Bitcoin is just falling. And yeah, guys, this was the bull trap I was talking about. Many people who probably saw this were not experienced in trading. They might think that Bitcoin is going to keep going up, but that is not the case. This was just to trap all the bulls. So now you can see Bitcoin yesterday went all the way to actually 24,277, but then what happened? It got rejected. We got a bearish candle, and now this is why the current daily candle here is actually looking bearish as well, just because of this previous candle here, which received a huge rejection at that price level. So if Bitcoin was to continue going up, it was very important that we got a daily candle close above 23,450, because this is where the past candle here back in June of 14, the price got rejected around 23,450. So if Bitcoin wanted to beat this price area, it needed to get a daily candle close above 23,450, but that didn't happen. And this is why we are starting to fall down. Now, we also had a bearish wedge here, which Bitcoin actually ended up breaking out of, but instead of breaking to the downside, Bitcoin actually broke to the upside of this bearish wedge, which was kind of strange, okay? So now it's starting to look like this breakout was a bit false, okay? Because we can see the price is starting to fall down. So right now, what we need to see, if this ends up being a false breakout, which is what it's looking like, right? Then we should expect to see Bitcoin go all the way down to like 20,000. It might find support around 21,500. Okay, it might find support there for a little bit, but then it should go back all the way to like 20,400, which is where the next support is. Okay. However, if this breakout is to be a real breakout, then we need to see the price of Bitcoin actually stay outside of this wedge, which means that right now Bitcoin cannot close below 22,000. Okay, Bitcoin needs to stay above 22,000 in order for it to continue to move higher here on the daily time frame. If we get a daily candle close below 22,000, I would say, you know, to be more precise, I would say below 22,400. Okay, if we get a daily candle close below that, then expect to see Bitcoin crash all the way down to 20,000. It might not go to 20,000 right away. It might find support around 21,000. Okay, and then head back up a little, and then finally continue to move lower to 20,000. Okay, now if Bitcoin finds support around 20,400, this is going to create a new higher low, and this might also help push Bitcoin back up to potentially break these 23,450 resistance. So yeah, it's really interesting right now. I'll be very careful to to long Bitcoin right now. Like, it's looking like a great time to short Bitcoin, not to long Bitcoin. Okay, best area to long Bitcoin, I would say like around 20,400. Okay, that is if the support holds. If it doesn't, then we can see Bitcoin crash all the way down to like 19,000, which is where the major support seems to be at. Anyways, guys, this is it for the analysis. So today is going to be interesting. We need to see Bitcoin's close above 22,000 on the daily time frame. If that happens, awesome. Then we should expect to see Bitcoin continue this move higher. Okay, but if that doesn't happen, then we should expect to see Bitcoin crash to 20,000. However, I believe Bitcoin is not going to be able to stay above 22,000 just because of this previous rejection here. Okay, we got rejected. That's already enough sign that we are going to continue falling further down. So right now I am looking at entering a big shorting position. Okay, guys, this is it for the analysis. I hope you guys find some value out of this. If you did, please hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.